Hey everybody, this is Pete from Glendale Harley-Davidson. We just got our first shipment of 2024s into the showroom. We're really excited here and looking forward to talking about this Billiard Gray Lowrider S. Let's check it out. Now, with how popular the Gunship Gray was in 2022, I think we're gonna see a lot of these Billiard Gray riding around in 2024. Now, first of all, they made a lot of upgrades to this bike ever since it first came out in the Dyna Lowrider S. Went from the 110 twin cam, now you're on the 117 Milwaukee 8 engine. You want to take it into the canyons. It's monoshock suspension, handles a lot more smoothly, and we're able to tuck it nice and tight around the corners. You even get the inverted front end forks on this bike, which helps the bike just pop right back up after you do take a sharp turn. Now with the 5-gallon tank, this makes it super versatile. You get the performance, you get the good cornering, and you could ride all day, making it one of the best bikes we got in our inventory. Now, if you want to get yourself onto a Lowrider S or any of the other bikes I got in the showroom, come down to Glendale Harley-Davidson, ask for Pete, and I'll be happy to help you out. Till next time, guys.